What if one of India's most legendary cars made a stunning comeback with modern technology, premium features, and a timeless design? The 2027 Premier Padmini is creating excitement among classic car enthusiasts, and in this video, you'll discover everything about its expected design, features, engine, and possible launch. Stay with us until the end because this revival could surprise everyone. Welcome to Velocity Vault, your destination for the latest automotive news, concept vehicles, future launches, and legendary car revivals. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2027 Premier Padmini, a name that holds a special place in Indian automotive history. A classic design with a modern touch. The 2027 Premier Padmini is expected to preserve the timeless charm of the original while adopting a fresh, modern appearance. Signature round-inspired headlights, a sleek front grille, stylish LED lighting, elegant alloy wheels, and a refined body shape could give this iconic sedan a premium road presence. It aims to blend nostalgia with today's design standards. Premium interior and smart technology. Inside, the new Padmini could offer a spacious cabin with premium upholstery, a large touchscreen infotainment system supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a fully digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, wireless charging, connected car technology, and multiple USB charging ports. Comfort and convenience are expected to be a major focus. Expected engine and performance. Although no official specifications have been confirmed, industry expectations suggest that the 2027 Premier Padmini may feature a fuel-efficient petrol engine with the possibility of a hybrid or even an electric version in the future. Smooth performance, improved fuel economy, and city-friendly driving dynamics are likely to be among its strongest highlights. Safety features. The modern Premier Padmini is expected to include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, traction control, a 360-degree camera, rear parking sensors, hill start assist, and advanced driver assistance features in higher variants, making it significantly safer than its legendary predecessor. Expected launch and price. While Premier has not officially announced the vehicle, automotive enthusiasts believe that if the project becomes reality, the 2027 Premier Padmini could be positioned as an affordable premium sedan. The expected price could range between 8 Indian rupees lakh and 12 Indian rupees lakh, depending on the variant and powertrain. The 2027 Premier Padmini represents more than just a new car, it symbolizes the return of an Indian automotive legend. If launched, it could combine classic heritage with modern innovation, attracting both nostalgic buyers and new generation drivers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Velocity Vault, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on upcoming cars, concept vehicles, and legendary automotive comebacks.